Hey everybody, welcome back to MoonShot Money, where we're trying our best to earn more, save more, invest more, and give much more. We talk so much about how to invest, but we rarely discuss ways to earn more money. In this video, we're going to give you 10 hustles to put some more money in your pockets. Hustle is the key. We hustle all the time, putting pieces together that will generate dollars for our family. This is going to be exciting today as we reveal 10 great ways to earn more. That's today's investigation. I'm Chase, and this is the MoonShot Money channel. Are you ready? Let's go. Woo! When you're getting ready to hustle, you don't want to make a big monetary investment. You're trying to make some money, not spend it. These side hustle ideas don't require huge initial investment or a specialized skill set. These ideas are just to help you earn some extra money in your spare time. You need to check out all 10 too, because we actually like the last one the best. So here we go. Number 1, Amazon FBA. If you live in an area where you can find retail items marked way down, or if you have a way to purchase in bulk at wholesale prices, this might be a great side hustle for you. My brother Isaac did this for a while and did very well. You need to get set up with Amazon, which can be a little tedious, but once you're set up, it's pretty sweet. You buy items marked way down, box and ship them to an Amazon fulfillment center. Don't worry, everything is spelled out for you. Shop, package, and ship to Amazon, and then you're done. Amazon takes it all from there. Once you leave UPS or FedEx, you're done. Your items appear on Amazon and you get the benefit from all the daily e-commerce shopping. It's so massive. Isaac's biggest challenge was finding things marked down enough. He targeted items from places like Home Depot, marked down around 70% so he could cover his cost, pay the Amazon fees, and initial shipping costs to the fulfillment center. He almost always ended up doubling his money. Amazon is a huge e-commerce animal and you get to ride along. Number 2, Airbnb Arbitrage. Before I get into the arbitrage aspect, if you have extra space in your house, or better yet, a second piece of real estate, you can make a great amount of money as an Airbnb host. This company has almost single-handedly turned the hotel industry upside down. I won't bore you with the details, but check out the aspect of hosting. Airbnb Arbitrage is something different. You rent or lease a villa, apartment, house, or condo with the permission from the owner. You leverage their property to cover your monthly expenses and make a nice profit too. Yes, you can be an Airbnb host using someone else's property. Think about that leverage. No mortgage, repairs, or property taxes. Just cover the lease and rake in the profits. Dig into this if it interests you. Number 3, selling on Etsy. If you're crafty at all, you need to check out Etsy. It's the world's largest marketplace for handcrafted goods. Many people hustle at flea markets and farmers markets every weekend selling their crafts, produce, and homemade treats. We actually admire that kind of hustle. Etsy gives you a global exposure, which brings exponential opportunities to sell your wares. Etsy scales your flea market and or farmers market business. If you are successful at a flea market, you will love Etsy. Do you have an idea? A unique creation, a delicious recipe, a better mousetrap? Check out Etsy for a fantastic side hustle opportunity. Number 4, print-on-demand t-shirts. Do you have some cool slogans? Do you have a t-shirt idea that you think you can sell? Guess what? Now you don't have to pre-order those shirts in all sizes and sit on huge inventory. A t-shirt business without ever touching the t-shirts is what we're talking about here. Teespring, Printful, and Merch by Amazon are 3 great companies that allow you to set up an account, upload your shirt designs, and sell t-shirts right there on the website. Your hustles are to design t-shirts and drive traffic to your online storefront. If you make a design and sell just one shirt, any one of these companies will print your one shirt, package, and ship it for a percentage of your profit. Both sides win. Facebook, Instagram, and such will be your advertising arm to drive the traffic to your site. The sky is the limit and your imagination is the canvas. Number 5, your own e-commerce store. Millions are enjoying the benefits of Shopify. Through the advent of mobile, high-speed internet, smartphones, and e-commerce platforms, you can now have your own global store without having to rent a storefront or have any of the costly overhead associated with the physical storefronts. Your imagination and hustle are the catalyst that can make the impossible possible. through Shopify. Again, I'm not going to bore you with the details here. Other videos are for that kind of information, but millionaires are being made every single month. Okay, we're halfway through the list here, and it helps us a ton if you hit that like button, and we would love to have you subscribe to our channel if you enjoy these videos. Number 6, cars and trucks. The used auto market has been on fire where we live in Tennessee, and there are multiple things that you can do here. As your state law allows, you can flip a certain number of cars each year without needing a dealer's license. This is a very quick way to make several $100s to even thousands of dollars. If you love washing, waxing, and detailing a car and seeing the end result, you can make a small fortune here. Start with family and friends and get yourself a portfolio of pictures. Word of mouth will get you moving in the right direction. At office complexes, you could do 3 or 4 a day all at one location. If you're mechanically inclined, you can add value by being able to do oil changes and simple mechanical tasks like replacing windshield wipers. Cars and trucks give you multiple opportunities to turn a hustle into dollars. Number 7, wedding coordinator. If there's ever a time when big bags of money are being spent in a hurry, it's at a wedding. There are so many moving pieces and parts that can be overwhelming for the couple. If you have organizational skills and love detailed planning, this can become a huge money-making hustle for you. Venues, invitations, food, flowers, showers, receptions, decorations, websites, music, sound, honeymoon plans. You get the point. There are a million moving pieces. When you're getting started, you may have to help someone for free, but you're building experience, a portfolio, and wedding contacts. All 3 are extremely important to the wedding coordinator. If you can make a storybook wedding happen once, you'll be getting calls for years. Get your social media, your website, calendar, and business cards ready before you start. You're going to need it. Number 8, meal prep and delivery. This may sound weird, but we are so busy from week to week. Having someone prepare a great meal that we can eat for a couple of days and deliver it to our house is a huge blessing. We are not the only family that feels that way either. That's why pizza delivery is such a big business these days. It's the same thing. You just have to over-deliver on the food, have a great price point, and make it a wonderful experience. We lost our culinary expert, but we used to love Mondays because when we all got home from work, there would be a hot, beautiful meal soon arriving. If you like to cook and you're pretty good at it, you seriously should look into this as a hustle. Okay, we only have 2 more to go, so make sure you follow us over on Twitter at MoonShot Money 1 for all the latest from our team. Number 9, historical tours and ghost walks. If you live in a town that has history attached to it, you might want to brush up on the best stories and facts about your area and host a walking tour much like you can experience in, say, Savannah, Georgia. Your customers would learn some new things, get some exercise, and hopefully have a wonderful evening limited only to your imagination. In the fall of each year, when the leaves begin to turn and there's a bit of a chill in the air, everyone loves a good ghost story. Our town has a mansion on the river at the end of the Greenbelt that has so many stories attached to it, and I'm guessing that your town does too. Social media, booking software, and a well thought out and planned walking tour is a great hustle idea. Check out some 5-star historical walking tours and ghost walks online today. Number 10, cleanup service. Here's the ultimate low-skill side hustle. Grab your pickup truck and a few items you're going to need. Maybe it's sitting in your garage. Take off and look for messy places. Look it over and go knock on the door. Have a predetermined amount that you'll require to clean up the mess, and don't forget the cost of getting rid of everything. I think you'll be surprised to find that people would love to have their businesses or their homes cleaned up, but they're just too busy or maybe too lazy to make that happen. That's where you come in, and there is no skill needed except a great hustle spirit. If you're not afraid of a little work, this is a great idea. Not only do you get paid, but the property owner gets the satisfaction of seeing their property look much better than it's looked in probably years. Your local area wins too because the eyesore will be gone. Win, win, win. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Make sure to check out some of our other investing videos on our channel. On your way out, give us a like and subscribe. Thanks so much in advance. Earn more, save more, invest more, and give more. And remember, if you're not interested in your money or your future, someone else is. Have a great day, everyone. We'll see you on the moon.